how to fix a stuck ice tray for all make and model. Now the number one most common reasons why the ice tray stuck with this automatic ice maker is the buildup of ice on the rail, on the turns, and that causes this thing here to stuck and you can't turn it. So a number of different options are available for you to use. One is to open up your fridge and allow the ice to melt. Now it may take some time. Make sure you turn off your freezer and open the door, allow the ice to melt. The other option is to use your hair dryer and blow warm air in here. This will accelerate the ice melting process, allowing the ice tray to go back to a normal position. Okay, so here I'll turn on the blower. Now another serious problem is that the tray could be broken. If the tray is broken, then you definitely need to replace it. If it's not broken, then simply try to melt the ice. Most of the time you just need to melt the ice, but if the tray is broken, you need to replace the tray or this part here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.